Hello, good evening, friends, and welcome to this edition of this course on exploring boundless horizon opportunity in text. My name is Dr. Chukwemeka Odiago. So I will start by looking at the agenda or what I wish to discuss with you. Now I'm going to look at what technology is, tech fields, industries with most opportunity in tech, most high tech cities in the world, best tech job, best paying tech job, top eight tech careers of the future, how to kickstart a career in tech, top tech skill set to acquire more demand tech skills for a freelancer, freelancing website, how to gain tech skills, website for self learning, 10 ways to make money using tech, and then I will now conclude. Now, what is tech? Now, technology is a product of transferring scientific skill for practical use. Now, different forms of technology are as a result of people trying to find more efficient ways to do things and testing new ideas. Now, whether you like it or not, the technology is constantly improving and generally aims to make processing easier for people. For example, with the internet today, it makes communication easier and it makes surfing of information readily available. And with the internet today, every process is already changed, and many things now leverage on the internet for any form of processing. Now, we have different types of technological innovations and their uses. Now, we start with the semi-dedicated technology, which seems to build on the technology knowledge that already exists. However, it aims to improve the already existing technology um, in ways that bring about innovation. Smartphones manufacture keeps new ones, and then software companies keep creating new software. Then also we have disruptive technology. Disruptive technology is type of technology which tends to disrupt an existing technology by making the innovation more accessible. Now, the disruptive technology tends to replace an already existing technology with a more improved version of that technology. Now, we have what we call incremental technology. Now, incremental technology now is almost like the semi-radical technology, but the only thing is that it focuses on making similar innovation to an already existing technology aspect. However, the smaller innovations contributes to significant improvement of the product. Now, like you can have upgrading of versions of operating system or releasing soft security patches or making modification to another existing services of a company. Then, what are the pros and cons of technology today? Now, the pros outweighs the cons. Now, for instance, we're talking about the pros of technology today. We're talking of creating of new jobs. Now, whether you like it or not, there are so many jobs now in the tech fields. That's why tech now is a good man. That is the area that most countries now are now focusing on training their youth to focus on tech jobs, which can be delivered both offline and online. Now, also with tech, now you have increased productivity and efficiency. Now, also you can see tech now that the entertainment industry now leveraging on tech to do whatever thing they want to do in that field. Now, it also tech simplify tasks. It gives you quick access to information. Example is the internet. Now, if I said learning, now you agree with me that today you have different types of learning. You have blended learning, you have e-learning, and so on. All this technology now leverage on the internet, which is a product of tech. They have increased innovation and then improved business processes. Now, what are the cons? Cons is addiction. Now, today you see some youngsters they walking on the road and they're pressing their phone, they'll be accessing the internet and video what of not. Now, that is a form of addiction and it's not good. Then also we take now you have pollution, you have crime. Crime is one of the most bad aspect of tech because with Tech now, people can just easily commit crime, hack into people's account, and stick. Then also, that will need like ethical consideration. Now, tech do not take care of ethics. It becomes a very big challenge. Now, when we look at career in tech, now there's so many careers in tech. Now, I also want to assure you that career in tech is boundless. I mean, there are so many areas in tech which one can always build a career in, which ranges from product design to website development to app development to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and a lot of uh, tech areas. And the range of job roles, opportunities in tech ecosystem is huge, it's massive. So, and it keeps changing because it's so dynamic. Now, what are the tech fields? The tech fields are massive. We have fintech, medtech, edtech, agritech, legal tech, wealth tech, food tech, green tech, and in fact, there are so many areas of technology that human endeavor that technology can be applied. Now, what are the industries with the most opportunities in tech? We have healthcare, technology, media, fintech, agri-technology, hospitality, and travel logistics. There's so many of them. Now, what are the 12 most high tech cities in the world? Now, we start with the one of the high, which is the Zurich, the capital of Switzerland. Now, when you visit that city, you see that everything in that city is about tech. Then we talk about San Francisco. That is what they call the Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley. And where is it? And that's where it is located in US. That is the second high-tech city in the world. And then the third, surprisingly, is Bangalore in India. Whether you like it or not, India is doing a lot of things in tech now, and that's why that Bangalore is called the Silicon Valley of India. You have Washington D.C., London, Toronto, Texas, Berlin, Tokyo, New York, Beijing, Hong Kong. These are the 12 cities in the world. And then what are the top tech jobs? We have data scientists, software developer, mobile application developer, information security analyst, information technology manager, computer research scientist, and so on. Now, what are the best paying tech job? Now, the best thing paying tech job is inexhaustive, as in I cannot exhaust them. There are many of them. But now, from the slide I have, you have like 40. Starting with software engineering manager, you have mobile application developer, information system manager, database manager, data security analyst, product manager, artificial intelligence engineer, front end engineer, full stack, cloud architect, DevOps, and so on. These are the best paying tech job in the world. That once you acquire this skill set in this area and you monetize your skill set, I can assure you, you are going to make a lot of money. Now, what are the top 8 tech careers of the future? Now, look at artificial intelligence and machine learning. That is where the world is going to now. Now, today we talk of chat GPT, talk of a lot of things in AI that can help us to um, uh, 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 that can help the society to mimic some things that human do. Okay, so AI is a key area now that people are now focusing on now, and I can assure you, it's the technology of the future. You have a UX designer, you have robotic engineer, you have data scientists. Now, whether you like it or not, now the emphasis have now shifted from process to data. Now everybody's now talking about data. That's what data is science. Data science is an important area now of the careers of the future. Our cloud engineer, have blockchain, now cryptocurrency, Internet of Things. Now, how do I kickstart a career in tech? Very simple. Now, the first thing you have to do is to do your research. Real research is that you have to access some important platforms like Google Trend, Google Analytics, and answer the public. And it is there's many of them. Now, and this place is a place you can go and then you search for tech keywords where people normally search for. Now, this can give you an idea of what people have passion for. Now, you can now use to align with your passion. So once you just do your research, then you can now decide on the part of tech domain to acquire a skill set on. But remember, whatever thing you have to decide, ensure that it aligns with your passion. Because I will not advise you to go and choose a particular tech field which you don't have passion for. So ensure that the tech field you're going to choose, you have passion for that. Then think about your current skills you have, and so that can now be you can this case set can benefit you in that current domain you want to go into. Then go for your passion, but remember you have to be practical about it. Find tools and research online. Best place to find tools and this thing is online. Then after that, locate a mentor, a coach. Even me, even at the level I am, I have a mentor. I have a coach who always, from time to time, guide me on the matching area of tech. The next thing again you have to do is you have to just keep learning, keep learning. Whatever thing you learn, whatever thing you do consistent, that is only what you know. Then build project and create portfolio for yourself online. Okay, so then also pursue technical certification in those areas in which you are choosing and stay consistent. Build network of friends, team, and then showcase what you have done or what you are doing on social media websites like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and then GitHub. I have some of them. Then you need to narrow to top tech skill sets to acquire, which is cloud engineer, blockchain, cybersecurity, data science. Now, look when you look at all this, you know that is most of the most trending areas in tech. Which once when you acquire skills on this place, and it is easier for you to monetize it and to then to make money from them. Then, what are the most demanded skills for a freelancer? And when you want to work online as a freelancer, they are looking at some test skills that you can deliver online, which include video editing, search engine optimization writing, original editing, research, content management system development, copywriting, mobile app development, graphic design, and social media marketing. Now, where are the freelancing website where you can make some money in dollars online? Remember, whether you believe it or not, your destiny is your hand. If you want to make money, it's you. If you don't want to make money, it is you. So your destiny is your hand. Whoever you want to become today is left for you. The way you want to go about it is left for you. But I can assure you, with determination and consistency, you can really leverage on tech and make a lot of money. Now, the website where one can work as a freelancer as follows: you have Fiverr, which is the most place I always advise people to engage their services in, because me, I have worked on Fiverr, and I can assure you I made a lot of money on Fiverr. Then also you have Upwork, you have Freelancer, you have Behance, you have TopTotal, you have Guru, you have FlexJob, you have 99 Design, People per hour, and that's all. You just once you acquire a set of skill sets, go to this website and monetize this your skill set. Now you can see this hand that is open. This hand is open, showing you that, oh, your destiny is your hands. What are you doing? So visit this website and even check it and know what you can do there. Then how can you gain this test skill? Because we're talking about all these things, sorry, but now we've not looked at how can you get all these skills. Now there are four ways you can gain this skill, or more than, but then the only one I want to discuss is the four. Now self-learning. Self-learning is a situation where you go to some e-learning website or software learning platforms where you can acquire skills online, and then they also let you know that some skills there you have to acquire for free of charge and some you have to pay for it. Okay, so that's what also that means self-learning, that you have to learn on your own without anybody assisting you. The next one is through certification. Now you agree with me that there are so many tech industry that offer certification in that they are choosing domain. For instance, you have IBM, you have Oracle, you have Hawaii, you have Cisco, and you have Microsoft. All these tech companies offer different forms of certification in the different areas of skill set. So you can leverage on them and acquire any other skill set. The next one is education. When you go to university, like our own university, and then acquire a skill set, then you can also monetize your skill set. Then lastly is the boot camp. Now, so many tech companies organize a boot camp, like 2 months, 3 months, 6 months boot camp, where you can acquire some tech skills and then be able to monetize it. Then, what are the websites for self-learning? Now, website for self-learning where you can acquire these skills like Udemy, Audacity, you have EDS, you have Coursera, you have Skillshare, you have Code Academy, you have MIT Open Courseware, you have Harvard University free online courses, you have Future Learn, you have Stanford University online courses, and we agree with that these places you have both free and paid courses here, and the websites are here for you to explore. Now, the next thing you have to do is what are the that industry that employ tech so much? You have the tech, you have healthcare, you have medicare, healthcare, and so on. Now, having said that, how can you monetize, make money in using tech? So many ways. They have affiliate marketing, drop shipping, start a YouTube business, become an influencer, create online courses, publish an ebook, start blogging and monetize it, become a freelancer, create an app, become a writer, do translation, become online tutor, become virtual assistant, become a Twitch streamer, invest and trade in stock, sell photography, buy and sell domain, we call it domain flipping, testing website, become a takeover, then trade in crypto, become a TikTok consultant, create information product, build website, build membership website, do search engine optimization writing, and so on. And just the list is so in fact I cannot exhaust it here. Okay, so now how can we make money using using tech? I just recently told you ways to make money using tech. Okay, so now whether you like it or not, technology is African biggest undiscovered gold mine. Like I keep telling you that today, for me, I don't talk about your industry and I don't know what people are doing in Africa, but there is money in tech. As a youth, we must change the narrative today. Why don't we leverage on tech to amass wealth? It is time to unlock the undiscovered potentials of technology. Let us leverage on tech to amass wealth. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. Thank you for listening.